Okay, welcome back, class. Yes, much like that nasty rash that you have, I have returned. Hopefully you had a nice break and didn't eat too many of those overpriced chocolate eggs. Nice to see some of you have been doing your homework, but please make sure that you are fully clothed when you do that. Cody, I'm talking to you. Anyway, I've looked at the syllabus, and this week we are doing... What the hell? Oh, I know what's happened. I think someone's gone and put the content filter on. I'll be right back. Okay, should be fine now. So this week we are doing fractions. So you know the drill by now. Let your chair meet your ass. It's time for math class.
So fractions are everywhere in life. So it's a really good idea to be able to calculate them correctly. Fractions are just a part of a whole one. So we have things like a half, or a third, 3/4, 4/5. When we talk about fractions, we have a top number and a bottom number, and then a line in between. The top number is known as the numerator, and the bottom number is the denominator.
And we all know there's a fine line between a numerator and a denominator. And only a fraction of you will get that joke.
The denominator is how many parts a whole one is divided into, and the numerator is how many of those parts we have. So here, we've divided our whole one into 3, and we have one of those. In this one, we've divided it by 4, and we have 3 parts, and so on. Let's look down here. Here, we have something that we've divided into 4. So our denominator is going to be 4. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. 4 over 4. Let's do the same thing over here. We have the same denominator, 4 parts, but what happens if I take one part away? Now I only have 1, 2, and 3. So I have 3/4. Let's try another visualizing one. Let's imagine we have a rectangle, and we're going to divide that into 8. Now it's important when we do fractions that all of our parts are equal. You wouldn't break up a chocolate bar and give someone a very small half. It wouldn't be a half. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. So our denominator is 8. If I color in this one, and this one, I've colored in 3 out of the 8. So 3/8 of the rectangle is colored in. Now we can use fractions in other ways. It doesn't have to just be dividing one thing up into parts. We can divide up things like animals.
You can't fraction animals? Quick, someone call the RSPCA. Peter, Angelina Jolie, she does this kind of stuff.
Let's say at home you have 7 pets. You have 3 dogs, 2 cats, 1 hamster, and 1 rabbit. So we're going to divide your pets up. So you have 7 pets. So each one of your denominators is going to be 7. 3 out of the 7 are dogs. So 3/7 of your pet are dogs. 2/7 of your pets are cats. 1/7 of your pets are hamsters and rabbits. So you have a lot of pets.
Yep, and you're also going to have a house that stinks.
So let's look at something else. Let's look at some real-world problems that involve fractions and money. Let's say we want to work out how much something is. Maybe it's half price. So all we do is we divide the price by 2 and multiply by 1. If something is, say, 2/3, we divide by 3 and then multiply by 2. Let's do an example. Let's say something is, 30 pounds. And it's now 3/5 of that price. First thing we do is we divide the 30 by 5 to give us 1 part. 30 divided by 5 is 6. And we've got 3 of those, so we do 6 multiplied by 3, which gives us 18. Let's do another one. Let's say, for example, if a store was offering a quarter off all their prices, and something was 20 of your English pounds.
Like this. Deadpool. Available on DVD and Blu-ray from your favorite home entertainment emporium. Perfect gift for the loved one in your life. Buy it now.
So, let's see if we can do it. We divide the 20 by 4 to give us one part, which is £5. Now, we only have one of those, so we know we've got to take off 5. So now we do the 20 minus the 5. Oh, minus the 5 even. Ooh. Which gives us £15.
Nah, I get it on streaming.
Okay, right. Let's do one together to finish. Let's say a store is offering a third off all prices. And the thing you want to buy is £27. Let's see if you can do it.
Can we get some thinking music for this? No, not that. We're not allowed to play that. Look for something else. This is okay. Was it free? Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Just play it.
Okay, shall we do it? So, 27 divided by 3 equals £9. We have to take that off, so 27 minus the 9 equals £18. Okay? So fractions can help us take money off. Go practice.
Okay, class, good work today again. Good mathing as always. Worksheets and answer sheets, links in the description. While you're down there, can you leave a comment or click subscribe? Please massage my fragile ego. That'll be nice. Anyway, never trust theirs. They're always up to something. I'm the Merc with the math. See you next time.
This has been a Funkster cosplay production. All characters appearing are fictitious. Please consult a medical professional before ingesting. Individual results may vary. No animals were harmed during the making of this feature, except wasps. F*** those guys.